And one of the deadliest mistakes of mga first-time wannabe entrepreneurs is what? Ignorance. Not every opportunity is an opportunity. Some opportunities are disguised as distraction. No, malalaman mo lang kung perfect ang formula mo at yung iniisip mo pagka ginawa mo. Too much analysis causes what we call as paralysis.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Huwag ka mag-start ng negosyo na hindi mo alam ito. Dahil sa video na ito, pag-uusapan po natin ang business rules na kailangan mo malaman bago kang mag-umpisa ng negosyo. Hi there, this is Shinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. I teach people on how to become wealthy and debt-free. If that is your desire for your life, this is the channel for you. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang 4 business rules na kailangan mo malaman. Okay, pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, naniniwala ako sa idea. No, I don't know if you agree with this, that prevention is better than cure. Agree? Number 2, paniniwala ko, learning from other people's mistakes is better than making your own mistakes. Do you agree? And one of the deadliest mistakes of mga first-time wannabe entrepreneurs is what? Ignorance. Ito yung po yung nagpapalugi sa negosyo. Meron silang passion, meron silang desire, pero kulang sila sa skills and knowledge. That's the reason why to increase your chances of success. Ano mga kailangan natin malaman? Ito yung 4 business rules na kailangan malaman. Rule number 1, never enter a business that you don't understand. Pag hindi mo naintindihan, please don't get into it. Not every opportunity is an opportunity. Some opportunities are disguised as distraction. Akala mo ay talagang pwedeng pagkakitaan pero imbis na pumasok ka ay nalugi ka. Like for example, hindi mo alam kung paano magpatakbo ng salon, di ba? Nag-open ka ng salon. Oh. And then ang nangyari po, hindi pumasok ang mga trabahante mo, di ba? Yung mga nagtatrabaho sa iyo, ay hindi ka makapag-operate. Ano nangyari? Imbis na maging profitable, nalugi ka, di ba? So it's very important for you. Number 1, bago ka pumasok sa any type of business, kailangan alam mo muna. Rule number 2 that you need to learn and know before you get into business, again, seek help from mentors. Just like what I mentioned a moment ago, prevention is better than cure and learning from other people's mistakes is better than making your own mistake. Kasi pinagpaguran po natin tong perang na ito. Kaya nga, dapat isama na po natin sa tinatawag natin CAPEX. O ngayon, narinig yun tong CAPEX. Chinky, ano yung CAPEX? Sa ano ba yan? Sa SCTEX ba yan? Saka NLEX? Hindi po. Ang ibig sabihin ng CAPEX is capital expenditure. Like for example, yung mga one-time cost na ilalabas mo. Renovation ng lugar, construction ng lugar, bibili ka ng mga equipments, mga CAPEX po yan. And likewise, isama nyo na po yung CAPEX mo is hiring a good and a professional consultant to help you and guide you. Para malaman mo yung do's and don'ts, di ba? Para ika nga maiwasan mo na yung pagkakamali ng isang starting entrepreneur. Does it make sense? If it makes sense, type in the comment section, make sense. Number 3 na kailangan mong malaman bago ka mag-start ng any business, make a plan. A simple business plan. Like for example, kasama sa business plan, sino ba ang target market? Di ba? Ano ba ang pain point nila? Ano bang problema nila? Ano yung solution na ino-offer ko? Tapos magkano ba ang puhunan? Kano OPEX ko? Ano ibig sabihin ng OPEX? Operation expense. Di ba? Yung monthly na ikang gagas tubig, kuryente, upa, sweldo ng tao. Tapos next question, meron ka na ba 3 to 6 months of your operation expense na set aside? Bakit po? Just in case na hindi naman mag-work agad, meron kang ika nga panlaban. Magsusurvive yung operation mo for 3 to 6 months. Saan ka maghahanap ng supply? At marami pang iba. Mga friendship, to know more about this on how to create a business plan, I want you to finish this video. Sa dulo kasi ng video, i-reveal ko kung paano nyo gagawin yan. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned. Rule number 4 and the most important rule is this: you must take action. Ay nako, kasi minsan plano na ng plano pero wala namang ginagawa. A dream remains a dream if you do not work on it. Ganun din sa pagnenegosyo. Set your plan into action. Planning without action is dead. Too much analysis causes what we call as paralysis. Imbis na in-execute, alam mo na yung ginagawa, paano na kumalugi? Ano yung pinaka-perfect na system? No, malalaman mo lang kung perfect ang formula mo at yung inisip mo pagka ginawa mo. Kaya mga friendship, hindi aksidente na ito ay pinapanood mo. Alam ko na may maganda kang business idea. That's the reason why. Number 1, ang unang tanong ko, bago mo implement ang idea na yan, alam mo ba yung ginagawa mo? Rule number 2, may mentor ka na ba? Number 3, may plano ka na ba? Number 4, handa ka na ba to turn your dreams into a reality?